Coming to you live from JDM Hawaii lot number 2. So this is the graveyard, which is so sad to see because I'm someone who doesn't get really attached to cars, but the things I'm seeing right now are breaking my heart. So this guy, this is the famous Barbie K-truck. First time I came to Hawaii, I saw this. This is one of the coolest Suzukis I've ever seen. This one is getting its heart removed. Look at this. I was just talking to Slater and I was telling him like, no, before we go any further, how can we figure out to get this to New York? We got to figure this out. Look at this truck. Interior super cool. Got the shaggy roof. Look at the speakers here. Huge sub here. Interior is nice and clean. This one only has 23 on the dot 1,000 kilometers. It is a 5-speed and 4-wheel drive. Come on. This has to get saved. I don't know how. He said he might take the guts out of this Suzuki and put it in here because he was going to do the opposite. Take everything out of here and put it in here, which is just like, come on, look at this truck. Look at this Suzuki. I need this. So maybe manifesting a little too early, but if this gets into running condition, I told him that I would buy this. I would buy this. We'll figure it out. We'll get it to New York. I'll put WayBeforeTheFame there. I have the coolest pink little truck ever. Then next to this, we have a Suzuki, 2 sandbar vans that are getting some maintenance. And then we have a Honda that has its eyes ripped out of it. This guy's also a parts car. And then this Starlet is really cool because this used to be a rally car. I'll see if I can show you guys. He said he's gonna bring this back to life. So it isn't just a graveyard. It's also, I guess, a hospital, you can say. So this guy used to be a rally champion. I can't wait to see this.
It has an aluminum plate. It's a 1/8 of an inch aluminum plate under the whole bonnet.
Yeah. This is, I hope by the time I come back, this is ready. Because this thing is cool. It has a full cage. That's where the map used to go. AFRs, 5-speed, boost gauge up there. Has a sunroof, surprisingly. No back seat, everything's stretched out. This thing is cool. It can't be technically a graveyard.
Pop the engine. Hold on,
let's see what's under here.
It's got some power on her.
Yeah, this is cool.
So cylinder 4 is dead. We just basically need the top half.
Yeah.
Just gotta get that.
Yeah, no, this is cool.
This is parts.
This is not parts. I already told him that. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one has its eyes ripped out of. I know.
Yeah, we got the headlights taken out. The California mirrors are gone. The seat we put in the Sunny that we had.
The Hatsu Sunny?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
The Datsun Sunny.
Oh, Datsun Sunny. Yeah.
We put that in there. The body is just no good. Barbie is
coming to New York. It's gonna be saved.
Barbie is gonna be saved.
It's gonna be saved.
We're gonna take parts from
yes,
this guy,
take this and bring this back to life.
Bring Barbie back.
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah.
And then the Jimny, you guys know how much I love Jimnys.
Oh my god, that was
it's a super cool yellow Jimny. Yellow and white.
We put a new motor in it. How's that?
Look at this car.
We gotta
nice rims.
We'll get a motor and put it in there.
Interior is clean. Let's pop the hood though and I'll show you guys. Top is nice and clean. Got a 5th rim. Muffler back here too. Look at this. I'm loving this Jimny. And then he tells me this.
Wham!
Like, come on. The nice ones are getting killed. This is a very, very nice Jimny. It's perfect for Hawaii. It's yellow, white, clean, nice rims.
Not done yet.
Not done yet. This one's gonna get reincarnated too, hopefully. Yeah. And then this, which is never gonna die.
This is not.
This is like King Kong and really never gonna die.
Yeah, this is Kong right here.
And then the Vivio. How could I forget this? STI, everything. Let's check this out. You guys know I like the Vivio.
So I mean, look, we got.
Oh wow, that's nice. That's definitely like custom fitted. Voltage gauge.
Like, is that stock or is that?
No, that can't be stock. I've seen a couple of Vivios. That radio's nice too.
Yeah. So,
bunch of gauges, oil temp there.
But yeah, this
clock.
Yeah, this
cup holders.
This was repossessed, so.
This one is soon going to be for sale and reincarnated also.
Yep.
Pioneer speakers there. Oh yeah, this one got some goodies to it.
Repossessed.
Oh, look at this, the boost gauge. I was wondering where the boost gauge was. I was like, you got all these gauges and look at that. On the door. I've never seen that before.
Oil pressure over here.
Oil pressure, oil temp, boost, voltage, clock, STI clusters. If this thing was 5-speed, it might be coming to New York too. This is nice. Now we're back at JDM Hawaii.
Hey, what's up?
So over here we have This can't be the graveyard. What is this?
No, this is the service center.
This is the service center.
We're doing a bit of everything right now. I know we kind of touched on tires a little bit the other day, but if you, I don't know if you can get down here, you see, look how much meat this thing has.
Yeah.
It looks like it's good, right?
But
to average Joe, they would still be using these. I mean, look how much meat is on these tires. Look at this.
Yeah.
But look. There's that one. It's separating. It's dry rot. So yeah, these are dead tires. So that's why we mark them like this. Every vehicle gets checked, especially the tire. And if they're bad, we get rid of them. Tires. So obviously some of these are not JDM tires, but those ones over there, as you can see. So I mean, just for example.
So these are all garbage?
These are all garbage.
Because this one has a lot of life too if you just look at it, the naked eye.
I mean,
even these little like grabbers.
Life, but if they're dry rot, we take them out.
Yeah, and most of the K-truck tires, most of the K tires in general are dry rot.
Yeah.
Like as someone who's owned like 10 K cars, 99% of the time, if you guys watch my videos, the first thing I'm doing is buying tires.
Yep. So we don't. Yeah, we just get rid of them. Here, what we're doing is the customer's vehicle was not sold by us. They brought it in and said it was stalling out, and there seems to be something going on, something funky with the gas. So, where is the floater? Here it is. Fuel sending unit. That came out of that tank. So, completely rusted out, not functioning obviously. The tank has rust in there, so we basically dropped the tank. You can hear that. Yeah. You can hear.
You can hear the.
Yeah, it's just bare rust down inside there. So we're swapping out the tank for him, and yeah, that's what we're doing here.
And that's coming out of that parts car.
Yep, that's coming out of that parts car that we bought just for stuff like this. Over here we have a Honda Acme that we're doing an engine swap. This is the engine right here. We're going to be putting in this bad boy. Here, another customer car, and yeah, that's what we're doing over there. Want to talk about this guy here?
I guess.
So we were trying to get this for the show. We didn't get it in time because we felt a little shimmy.
Yeah.
Turns out that it has a bad U-joint. So the U-joint for this was bent. It's just, so we're working on getting this replaced. We will have this up and ready before you leave.
I give them
so you can drive it. We put a lot of work into trying to get this together, and oh my God, it's.
I still haven't showed them the whole truck, but this is the biggest sneak peek you guys have got so far.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys a little bit of the interior. Look at this.
So we do what we do. You know, we just do customer work and just stuff that needs to be done. We do all out servicing here, pretty much.
Yeah. Not afraid to even if it's not a customer's car.
Even we take on outside customer's car too. We have another van over here. It's a highest. It's not ours, but stalling out. Customer towed it in, so taking care of that too. So yep, we can handle any mechanical, even Barbie.
Even Barbie.
Hey.
Barbie's soon gonna be here.
Barbie will be reincarnated.
Yeah.
How's that?
It should be.
Promise. I promise. Right. Barbie is coming
Pinky
back.
Promise.
Pinky promise.
On
Barbie's
camera
coming
too.
on camera.
On camera, so it's real.
Barbie's coming back.
All right, so I'm here with Slater, and I was just telling him that Jimny, like to put another 660 K68 doesn't make sense. Like a lot of people rotary swap Jimnys. So if anyone's in the Hawaii area and you have some recommendations to put under the Jimny, let him know.
Tell me what to do with it.
Because I mean, you could K-swap it, but that's probably a lot of work.
Yeah.
Because people K-swap everything.
Yeah. What to do? I mean, you could K-swap it.
K-swap it. Rotary swap is very.
You know, J11, J12, whatever. But it's yeah.
It should get, or even a Samurai motor. Because those are probably way cheaper. You can get a 1.1 or 1.3 Samurai motor in there for change.
And I'm pretty sure there's some Samurais in
Hawaii. You could definitely do that.
That would be good.
Yeah. Well, there's another. Is it a Geo Metro? There's another one that a lot of people put in that car too. I forgot.
Tracker?
Yeah, the Tracker 2, you can put that motor. But there's another one. I'm gonna look it up too. But if anyone has any recommendations, hit up JDM Hawaii and let them know so we could put something cool in that Jimny. We gotta let that yellow Jimny come back in life.
Absolutely. What about the Starlet?
The starlet motor?
Yeah.
Or what to do with it?
What to do with it? Because it needs a or if like I would love for somebody to
take it,
team up with me.
Yeah.
Take the Starlet, bring it back to life.
Bring it back to its rally days.
Just bring it back to its rally days. So what's wrong with it? It has a dead cylinder. It has we call it a dead hole.
Yeah.
Cylinder 4 is dead. There's no compression. That's the only thing that's wrong with it. I'm looking for ideas. If you have an idea of what you could possibly do.
Yeah. That car needs to come back to life too.
Yeah,
because that has good heritage and like that was once probably the coolest car.
Yeah, and they're having, because now they're I think they might be opening the track in Maui.
Oh really?
The racetrack.
To do rally?
To the rally stuff, to the racing and stuff. So if that is possible, I would love to have a JDM represented rally car.
Like livery JDM Hawaii on it.
Everything, everything. I mean, it would only make sense.
Yeah. So hopefully someone watching this that's in Hawaii can team up and make it make sense with the Jimny and the Starlet.
Yeah,
like both of those together, we need back in its glory days.
Yes.
And the Barbie, but you got the Barbie. You got the Barbie.
I got the Barbie.
The Barbie's easy.
I want a personal touch of Barbie.
Yeah, the Barbie's easy. Yeah,
I gotta keep the Barbie.
But the other ones we need back.
Yeah, I need help on that one.
Yeah.
So
remember the name. This is way before the fame.